To create an invoice master template, open the Excel invoice template for the payment type that corresponds to your work authorization or specific deliverable contract without work authorizations. Save the file in a dedicated contract invoice folder and rename the file using a text and number combination that clearly identifies all invoices with the district or division 3-letter acronym, prime provider firm name, contract number, work authorization number, invoice number, and then master invoice. Once you are in the newly saved master template, note colored tabs across the bottom. This video explains how to complete the master template cells for the invoice and master CSJ list tabs. The first tab on the left contains written detailed instructions for completing each of the other tabs. You can find details and guidelines in this section. Click on the Invoice tab first. For setting up the master template, you will be filling in only the cells shown in blue. A shortcut link to the tab's instructions is available to the right here as well. All of the information for this tab is located in your executed contract or subsequent work authorization. Make sure to have a copy of the executed documents for reference when filling out the master template file. Start on the left side and fill in all the cells highlighted in blue, such as your provider firm name, ID number, and remittance contact information. Enter the name of the provider's project manager. Select DBE for federally funded projects or HUB for state-funded projects. Add the DBE or HUB goal percentage that is found in Attachment H of the executed contract. Moving to the upper right area, fill in the PeopleSoft contract number. Finish filling in the right side of the invoice section with contract and work authorization numbers and legacy information, amounts, and dates. The contract information is found on the executed contract, and the work authorization information is found on the executed work authorization. Instructions for specific deliverable contracts without work authorizations are shown in red text to the right of this group of cells. Next to the WA payment type cell, click on the drop-down and select the payment type or types noted on your work authorization or specific deliverable contract without work authorizations. In this demo, we are using lump sum. Add your TxDOT project manager name. Moving into the invoice summary section, provide the department number. This is a number that is usually associated with the TxDOT district or division you are working with. Enter the general project description provided to you by your project manager and noted on your work authorization or specific deliverable contract without work authorizations. Now save your file. Now you are ready to fill out the Master CSJ List tab, the third tab from the left. All of the information for this tab is found in your executed documents, and once it is completed in this tab, it auto-populates the yellow cell drop-downs found in the other tabs that will be used for your subsequent monthly invoice files. Click on the instructions link at the top of the page, or on the Instructions tab first on the left to view details about policies relevant to this section. Begin on the left with the first column section titled Master List of Projects, CSJs, or detail numbers. The top of this section explains the source of and the auto-population of this information in other sheet tabs. Fill in all the approved project CSJ or detail numbers. Do your final save, and you are now ready to create monthly invoices with your completed master template.